Oh, Gummy, you went down, brother.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, just go to DD and Theories, and what Derek Kirk's YouTube live stream link is in there.
Yeah, it's got a delay, so make sure you deafen and mute yourself here in the Discord.
Yo, can one of the people watching Edward's stream exit so I can stream his stream?
Yep.
Yo, why does this look this looks like a 3D cube?
Oh yeah, it does.
What the fuck?
Can one of you please exit?
I want to see it.
One second.
Boss Blunts on YouTube himself just started YouTubing or
There you
live.
go.
I'm on. I'm live streaming right now.
This shows like a 3D parabolic thing. Like if you actually extended this looks like 3D if you focus on the squares here.
If you hear an echo from my stream, just turn the volume down from on the stream.
Got you, brother. Thank you.
It's like Willy Wonka.
Ironically enough, I'm watching Kenny G's personal fluffer nights.
Dude, it's like Willy Wonka came out from the chocolate from the factory, dude. You got a big W that's creating.
And that pattern breakout
polygons.
from its W bottom would literally be all-time highs, about 70-ish.
Oh my god. I'm trying to create the inverse, so wherever this trend leads next, this actually makes sense. Right here, whatever this thing, it's within the polygon.
Hey,
but
I think
the next trend is plotting is
I
really
think
hard.
the tip. I think the tip where you drug across that second top line, that might need to come down to the other apex. If that makes sense.
No. I think what's going on right here, this is going to be inverted.
A little bit.
Is that a diamond? That looks like the diamond for them.
Is it a diamond hand?
Illuminati.
Got the diamond
Look at it,
balls.
it's a diamond.
Look at the diamond balls right there.
It's a diamond. Make that your avatar.
I said it's a diamond.
Diamond.
It is a diamond,
Illuminati.
yeah.
That is master mockery right there.
That is awesome. That's better than my fraud, DD.
We said last night they're all in the break room after hours, just getting stoned and like watch what we fuck with them. You know, they start running the price up and down and laughing their ass off.
I just loaded a half gram of live rising in my blunt. Let's get it.
My man, let's go.
Let's get it.
All right, let's see what we got. We got 30 minutes left here for Power Hour, guys. Let's check it.
You're messing up the diamond.
Oh,
All
it's
right,
not
this is
supposed
our
to be a
run right
diamond.
here. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
This is supposed to be the inverse of this. This
I know.
side is inverted.
Yo, next week is a full moon. It's a harvest moon, and the SEC is releasing that report on GameStop. I don't know, man.
Oh my
What days are they releasing the report?
So I just posted, yeah, W on the double bottom breakout would be around 100 plus.
Babe.
Yes.
I'm gonna go put the 30.
What time?
30.
Oh my god, I know what's going on. I know what's going on.
Bro, tell me.
Hold on,
Jeez,
hold
you,
on.
you say that like every 20 minutes.
I figured it out.
Let him
I'll
get
take you get back.
Please mute your mic if you're not speaking. Thank you.
If you're not speaking to us, you're not speaking.
Yeah, true.
Like that guy that was talking to his baby mama yesterday or something.
I joined a meeting earlier today and forgot to take this off mute. You guys probably heard me talking in my meeting. Sorry about that.
Yesterday or something.
Let's get it. Rocket launch it. Come on.
We know you work in dildos.
Yo.
Boss, are you still there?
I joined a meeting earlier today.
Yeah, what's up, fam?
Take this off mute. You guys probably
I
heard
got
me
a quick
talking in my
question
meeting.
about the
Sorry
whole
about that.
China and like the shipping thing. We've been talking
Let's
about
get
it
it.
yesterday or like before you came.
Yeah, what's up?
You mean like you had like more DD on that?
Oh yeah,
So,
a lot.
They have like this whole China thing of Evergrande, right? Yeah.
Hang on one second, brother.
Being able to
Yeah, what's up, fam? Hold on, let me mute this real quick.
So like about the whole the whole
Eduardo.
Evergrande thing right now, right?
Yes.
There's like this big problem. They have like a lot of real estate in China, and people are like angry at them for not paying their interest. So how much do you think is that gonna affect people from the shipping industry? Because I mean,
A lot, because it's suppliers. They owe a lot of money to their suppliers right now, especially paint suppliers are even being paid with apartments that they're painting that are not even done yet.
Yep.
Oh, they're paying in parking spots too.
And kindergartens. Like, what the fuck?
well, but okay, let's say they're gonna continue that. How long can they even continue such a service? Like,
I mean,
you can't pay people with apartments.
Yeah, you can't pay people in something that's not even currency. And like, how do you make liquidity out of an asset that you can't even sell, right? So it's gonna fuck a bunch of shit up. Like,
How long are people able to survive on not gaining any income or like gaining any interest from the state itself?
You have to pay your bills, man.
I mean, it's already dominoing. It's already dominoing. Like, the thing is, like, it once it starts, it just accelerates, right? Too, and then everyone starts panicking, and the panic is already ensued. I mean, look at how many people just showed up to their office and started breaking in, and then the
they
cops.
said it's an uncontrolled squeeze.
At this point, you have cops coming in, literally raiding the office to get the people out. You have managers of the company like literally being held hostage in like hotel rooms because they don't want to leave.
Wait, where is
Come
this?
smoke this Astro blunt with me. Come on.
Where
Let's
is
get
this?
happy.
What's spiking
30
right now?
minutes,
Let's
boy.
go.
Go, bitch. 30 fucking minutes, boys. Astro blunt. Let's go.
Let's go, my nigga.
It doesn't.
Move, bitch.
Hey, everybody, we need noise in the chat. That's for sure. If we start pumping,
Sorry, I
if we
posted my
start
blunt
pumping,
and say anything. Just
let's go.
Daddy.
Oh, what can they do in half an hour? Jesus. I mean,
A lot. It's gonna fucking do it.
We're fucking doing it.
Your 200 MAs at 96.
that's a lot of money.
96. That's where we cross over.
fucking loud in here.
I lost all my money for this week's options.
Yeah, same here. Yay, me too.
All right,
Yay.
one
of us. One of us.
Goodbye, $2,000.
Same,
yeah.
Where are you at the end of the squeeze? This is just a dream. We're just replaying it.
AMC is up. AMC is up to 44.82. Let's see what happens next. We got a few minutes left. I'm expecting last 15 minutes of today are going to be real interesting. That's what I care about.
Yep.
The last 15 minutes. We're at 44.78 on AMC, 203.61 on GME. Let's fucking rock, dude.
Hey, Marcel.
That's good, bro.
Are all the futures now closed with the T+1?
No, they can't be. This is not. They can't be fucking closed. And if they are, they're on a T+1, T+2 settlement. I think today was the last day to close credit default swaps futures. So I think that should not. We won't reflect since it's T+1, T+2 settlement. We won't reflect that till tomorrow, till Monday or Tuesday.
Look, guys, look at this crap.
Yeah, can you explain what this is real quick? I wasn't paying attention.
Let's see this.
It's like extrapolating polygons within its code.
English?
I can't English. I cannot English right now.
Extrapolating.
It's basically like taking a variance of something and then multiplying it against the entire population.
That ending, it perfectly like it lets the fractal end the next phase.
Science.
This is the same thing that happened on January to June.
Science rules.
You must have ate some mushrooms or something.
No, he's just really smart.
Exactly.
Don't worry, guys. I'm a biologist.
What if he did? Does that make him dumber because he had mushrooms? Come on, let's be real here.
No, he said exactly.
No, you missed it, so there's not even no point in explaining it.
Yeah, exactly.
I gave him a compliment.
Yeah.
Do me a favor, drop a like, everybody. Appreciate y'all coming out. The chat is fucking going off for you guys right now. So thank you guys.
Yeah.
What's up, Eric, David, Ted, Javi, Luis, Gabe, everybody coming out here. Denzel, Blue.
We in this bitch.
Rock, dude. We got over here, man. We got, look at these fucking geniuses. We got Blur, Bretling, Daniel, Edward Britchick, my man, you guys, Gummy, Kenny G's. Man, we got Kenny G up in the house. Thunder, Zabi, what's up, Thunder?
Fluffer.
And Zabi, man,
Bro,
good
where are you
stream, brother.
streaming?
It's boss blunts.
We're fucking streaming live on YouTube, baby. You guys got hundreds of people watching you and
Are you
growing.
on Twitch too, bro?
So where does the polygon start at?
Hold on, hold on. It starts right here where the next run up happens and it ends. Watch this. Hold on. Man, why did it move?
Do your work.
I'm about to take a bonk hit, yo. AMC's gonna skyrocket.
Do it.
Not yet. It's not gonna.
Oh snap!
Oh, break 94. Oh, please.
You know what they're fucking all the people that they you know
So,
on Robin, they all sold
yeah.
at 3 o'clock. All the 3 o'clockers got out, and now they're gonna like drive it up.
Does anyone know how many calls are at 45?
Ooh, we're getting there.
Let's go!
Oh, we're
Told
gonna
you,
pass it.
I told you. Magic bonk hit, yo.
45's at 10 cents.
Take another rip.
You guys hear me?
We're at 44.96. Let's see where we're gonna go.
Bam just called this shit, bro.
Take another rip.
He said
Take
at
another lucky
320 we
rip.
were gonna start to run up.
The last 15 minutes is what matters.
There's a
GameStop's
big
at
old W on the
204.32. 204.63.
Fucking go, baby! Let's fucking go, guys. Oh yeah. It's here, baby. It's here. We can feel it.
Come on!
Marcel. I love Marcel.
Yes, go.
This doesn't go to 45. I'm kicking my dog.
Fuck, dude. I love you too, baby. Ape Nation, no homo. I don't give a fuck. We're gonna be rich.
I'm a beat.
44.96, 204.66.
Let's go, baby.
Let's fucking ride
If we
out.
get to 45, I'm gonna go punch my
We're gonna
neighbor.
solve world hunger, yeah.
I'm gonna paper hand. I'm gonna sell it all.
Look how we're pumping and Spy's not even fucking moving. Fuck
Dude,
yes.
you see the QQQ though? The QQQ's getting fucking wrecked.
Yeah, this word I understand.
Guys, this guys, what happened here? This polygon is inversed on this.
Yeah, if you like rotated it, it's like almost 90 degrees,
We got
right?
green
This is the
candles.
bottom of
5
this
green
top.
candles in a row for GME.
Is there any way you could like remove the candles so I could screenshot it?
Nice.
The polygons that you made?
What do you mean?
And Edward,
So-
that's
Go,
exactly
baby.
what I was trying to
That's a
remove.
45.
That's
Remove
what I
the
was trying
candles,
to.
that way I could have your lines. That way I
44.97.
could further
Wait, the
manipulate.
Turn
the
green,
ball- like
bitch.
the candles? What do you
Yeah,
mean?
like the dailies. There's no way to do that, right?
Boss blunts, are you gonna show it? Look at those greens.
In that bottom, Edward, is exactly what I was
Oh,
trying to
we're
say.
going
That's
to 46,
where
guys.
that hump was. Can you guys hear me? Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. And so that's why I think we're at in that pattern, we're at the beginning of May.
Guys, what do you call this thing right here?
Oh, actually, no.
Yeah.
We're at the end of May.
Dude,
Because there's
isn't
2
this
peaks
like
right
part
there.
of your Paragian?
I said that we're at the end of it.
A trapezoid.
And like the fucking
Yeah,
square, right?
Not necessarily. It's not like this would be a trapezoid, right?
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
But when you squeeze it in, what is this? Like, what is this?
Diamond Hands
full
Yams,
vertice
thank you for
type
your
of-
donation,
No,
brother.
no, that's the
I
polygon.
don't think there's
Too
a
kind.
specific name
No.
for it.
Too kind.
It's a parallelogram. Parallelogram.
No.
Teddy
You know,
bear.
on a compass, it shows the north and
Oh
south.
yeah.
This is like kind of like what I don't know what to call it.
Oh, they're inverted
It's-
right
it's
triangles on each
inverted.
other.
It's in yeah. What do you call that though?
Well, that's a polygon. The whole full shape is a parallelogram.
Dial. Is it a dial? Is that
We're
what you're
getting
trying to
shorted.
say?
We're getting shorted.
This
Look at that
right
huge
here is
200,000
the
volume in 1 minute.
This- Oh my! I literally think.
How the
Okay,
fuck we going next, Rain Man?
if you flipped, dude, I'm pretty sure this is what it looks like. If you
You're gonna-
flipped January over, like next to it, and you mirrored it, it's exactly what this would look
If you
like.
folded it like a piece of paper, right?
If you
A
folded
rhombus?
it if you folded it horizontally.
Yeah, it's like a rhombus.
Yo, Edward, if you put your mouse on the takeoff point, what date is that?
Hi, baby. What's
Which
up?
one?
On the right.
Come here.
Oh, I don't know. I don't know the takeoff point. Could
Or just
be
hover your
October
no
1st.
to the okay, yeah, by October 1st. That's what I was saying earlier. Next week is gonna be lit.
Yeah, I think so. But you look at this. This is the inversion of this area right here, but it's compressed. Time is being squeezed because you can see even by the polygon here, this is a much thinner polygon than this
Hey
one
man,
is.
stretch that back out, man.
We still have a full week before the October 1st. Calls.
Got
That's 2
GME
weeks.
broke 205, 205 and a quarter.
GME's about to go green. Let's go.
This is crazy.
Seriously,
This
did I
is
just hear
fucking
boom
nuts.
power?
GME's moving, baby. Even my kid's screaming. 205.54. Here we go. Delta hedge, bitches.
Let's go.
205.59.
AMC and GME.
Yeah,
some
pussy ass hoes, you know what I mean?
Yeah, look at the 5K walls.
Fuck Ken
I
Griffin.
got
Where's
to
my
sell
fucking money,
MMAT
Kenny G?
splits. I made some money.
They're trying to keep AMC under $45 because it's Friday. They don't want
Yeah,
those $45
look
calls
at
in the
those
option.
walls, yo.
That's
Look
their
at-
idea. They're
Right.
trying to get this thing's going to try to be at under 205. They're going to try to bring this to 249.50 or below, for sure. They're going to start shorting AMC right now. Oh, never mind. Here we go. It's up to 205.72, and we will watch her get to 206.
Put that on your dinner plate and eat it.
Nice.
One step closer to making Build a Baby, guys. Let's go.
Build a baby.
We're about to break.
Come on.
We're about to pop out of this wedge on this week. We're about to pop out of this wedge.
Jesus, GameStop still hasn't traded 2 million fucking shares today.
And AMC is
Nah,
well,
they're not trading
even
shit. But look, here we go.
47
Green
million.
candle. 10,000 shares traded. 8,000
This is
shares
the
traded.
lowest
Let's see
volume
what this one
today
comes up
we've
at.
seen for a while.
Yep, this is the
35,000
great big
final
volume
of
at
the
the end
week.
of the day.
What's up, bro?
Are they gonna
I
let it hit
closed my
206? What the fuck are
freaking-
they doing?
my Discord for I closed my Discord for 2 minutes, and all of a sudden you got all these lines on your stream. What the hell happened?
We're drawing in 3 dimensions now.
Tony Montana,
No,
stop
literally,
by.
if you zoom, if you squish that, it literally looks 3-dimensional.
Did I hear limes? Are you fucking watching that course?
This is a rectangular prism.
We're not
guys.
wearing duck shirts.
Mio,
We eat ducks.
Mio, can we be forming that handle on the daily?
45.
Come on.
Come on, they're not gonna let it hit it. Look, there he come. Red candle coming
Oh,
in.
they are. We
They're
are
not gonna
win.
let it
We
get
are
to
gonna win.
45. They can't fucking do it. They're fucking scared. They're little pussies.
15
Ken Griffin, you're a
minutes.
bitch.
15 minutes. Let's
Dude,
go,
watch-
guys.
15 minutes. We got enough power to go to 46. Come on.
Do we battle to cry? Do we battle to suffer?
We got 15 minutes,
No.
guys. Let's see what the
Choose
fuck happens.
ball.
This is what matters right here. These last 15 minutes.
Blood Rage, Heroic Strikes, Under Armour.
Hold on 1 second. I'm gonna buy some
Kicking these
shares right
motherfuckers
fucking
out
now.
the
Fuck you
country.
guys. I'm routing direct to the Nasdaq. I'm gonna do my contribution.
That's 45 guys. I'm just about to call 2 weeks out. I think 2 weeks out call is really good right now.
Come on, GME.
Fuck you, Kenny
know
G.
You wanna go green? Come on, baby. Come on.
$45. $45. Come on.
GME's green. GME just went green. Let's go.
206.44. Let's fucking do it.
Let's go, baby.
what I'm talking
That's
about.
just gonna rip. Once
Do
that
not come.
Once that
Do
20
not
MA
come.
crosses that 50, that 200.
Look at these, look at
EMA,
these 45,
right.
man. Look at all these 45 orders.
You see those fucking green lightsabers? Come on. 206.50.
Yeah, right. Take them down.
Hey,
Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Yeah! That's what I'm talking about. Let's go. Fucking ride out. 207, baby.
46.
Look at that volume. Oh, look at that volume. It's coming in.
We're about to cross that VWAP, and all that volume is gonna come in right now. Watch.
We about to cross these numbers.
45-17. Let's go, GameStop, AMC.
There it goes.
Yeah.
Yeah!
Whoa.
That's what I'm talking to those fucking shills. That's what I'm talking about. 10,000 volume.
Let's go, baby.
10,000 a minute. Oh, let's see what goes. 45-20, baby. On the fucking money. Let's fucking go. I'm buying some more. Fuck you, Kenny G. Marcus A just bought 5. Hell yeah, that's what I'm talking about. D just bought 8 more. That's what I'm talking about. 46 for Jake. That's what I'm fucking talking about. $45.16 for AMC. Damn, guys, we crashed the Discord. We crashed the fucking Discord. That's fucking awesome. Holy shit. 45-14. Let's go.
It still proves they
return to the Mac right now.
it still
Hey,
proves they can
fuck what you
manipulate it.
heard. My number just went up by another 100,000.
That's what I'm talking
because of
about.
today.
Dude, we just crashed my fucking Discord.
Look at this. Look at
Discord
the
over
report.
there.
Yeah, hey
What the fuck?
Edward, it's 357.
You can't
Guys,
stop it.
guys, they're still suppressing it.
Oh yeah.
No,
No,
Well,
look,
that's
look,
fine.
Look,
Yeah.
look, Edward.
Yo, we're gonna
Edward.
run
No
out.
surprise.
Man. We're
Look,
gonna
look,
run
look,
out.
look at on the 1 minute. You have a mini fucking a carrot stick on the bearish signal, right?
This is
Oh yeah, of
completely
course,
bearish.
man. Of course.
You know,
The algo's
this is
gonna buy
completely
and sell
bearish.
at the same time. Here we go. They're bringing it back down. Trying to chop it back down in the last 10 minutes. They're 45.03.
Oh,
Listen, Edward, you have
And
the,
it's
you have the
207.
you have the wrong
Chart
setting.
crossed over.
Listen, Edward, you have the wrong setting. You have 357 on the
Oh,
VI.
true. Let me
Yeah.
see. Let me check. Good call, man. Thank you.
Dang, how
I
can you
just
see
slapped
that?
the ask. I just slapped the ask.
Yeah, you're right. Yep.
45.05.
Market
at
order,
that.
baby.
Look at that.
Market
market
order.
206.58. Big red candles coming. Massive red volume. They're trying to keep it under control. I believe there's coming. I think we're gonna get more greens after this.
They're fighting. They're fighting.
More greens.
They're fighting big
Holy
time.
shit! What the fuck? You guys see this candle? Do you see that candle? Who's watching my screen? What the fuck?
They're about to cross.
It went from 08 to 01 like immediately.
Holy shit!
Look at this. Look at this.
We're about to cross.
Can you
on
say
the vortex.
manipulation?
We're about to cross on the vortex.
Holy
They
fuck!
crossed.
Wait.
It's the battle of which trend is gonna go, either bullish or bearish.
Man.
This is the battle
I
right
love
now.
technology.
The algo wants to control itself.
Fuck yeah!
Meow.
Look at the 1 minute. Look at the 1 minute.
Yeah.
the
Yeah,
one
look
minute
at the
is
1 minute.
completely
This
done.
is the battle. If this is gonna close or continue going.
Look at the one tick.
That was kind of funny.
Nuts to watch me.
Failed ladder attack.
No, I think they're pretty
Oh, they're
successful right now.
trying to hit it. Oh, never mind. But bulls are
Slap
trying
that
to.
V-lock and
Too
dip.
early.
See, there you go.
Trust me, they
There we
always get
go.
fucking
There we
more.
go. What are we gonna do?
Get back above
The one tick.
45.
9
Come on.
minutes.
Is-
9 minutes left.
The one
If
tick
you
is
can
way
get
too
to
exciting.
45.01.
45.01.
Do you guys look at this one tick? What is?
45.01.
Guys, look at this one tick. this is crazy.
Jesus Christ. Jesus.
Is that?
That 1 second?
This is one
Yeah.
tick.
That's one tick. It's literally every trade.
Dude, that looks
Oh,
just like.
Whoa.
Whoa! Jesus.
Yeah, this is
Come
how
on.
this is how you get depressed.
That's when you can see that they can manipulate the algos so much because the algo is letting through so much volume.
Look at
I'm
this.
having heart
Perfect ladder
palpitations just
attack. You guys
watching
see
that.
this? Perfect ladder attack.
Dang.
They want to keep it under 45 so bad.
Remember, 44 is max pain, so even if we close above that, it's still good.
If we cross this right now, it's gonna go.
45
It's
would be
gonna start
great.
shooting up.
They're working real hard right now. That's for sure.
Yeah.
This fucking algo's in
Because
overdrive.
they calculated the winnings.
Yeah, they don't want us. They don't want us. They don't want us at 45 at
Look
all.
at this. Look at this.
No, that-
There's a W. There's a W again.
We all saw that. We all saw what just happened on that 1 minute.
Yeah, the moment is completely trading view is completely fucked up.
Oh, it just crossed back. Oh my god.
For those people that don't understand why they do this, it's because they would rather lose 150 million by shorting the shit out of the stock today than 200 million by having to buy back some more positions and deal with in the money calls at 45. They don't care if they lose 150 million if it saves them 25 million. If you understand what I'm saying. So it's just more money in our pocket at the end of the squeeze.
Yep. Yeah, they don't want us at 45. They don't want those calls to run in the money.
Yeah, that would have been like 19,000 calls.
It's about to run. This doji candle is this green candle right here. Do you guys see
200
this?
EMA.
Worry about all the contracts
Look,
flowing
look,
out of
look,
the money.
look, the
Oh,
5
look,
minute.
30,000. 30,000.
Come on, pump
Come on,
this
you
shit.
fucking bitch.
Come on.
I bet you in the last 5 minutes we see some crazy shit happen.
Slap the ass, boys.
Everyone focus your energy on AMC.
Let's hope they fucking blow their wad right there.
Okay. Push your war gifts into maybe not delayed automatic margin call chat.
Hey, Kurt, we need a Citadel video this weekend when you go outside.
Oh no.
For some
I'm
motivation.
I'm waiting for when they're it's clearly that they're actually fuck, so I can be there and be like,
piss them off even more.
Currently, they're getting fucked.
Dude, you will be ran over, man. Everybody's gonna run out the building crying. Trust me.
Oh, yeah, it's
Everybody
gonna be
knows
brutal.
that job is fucked.
Yep.
You gotta get Ken Griffin's body for me.
I really want to see someone standing outside Citadel fucking handing out bananas when they come in the morning.
Bananas and mayo.
Bananas dipped in mayo.
That's right. Thank you guys. Hey, drop a like, drop a share for the algorithm, drop a comment.
Guys, welcome.
Drop a share, people.
Guys, welcome to bullshit.
These last 5
Hey, it's nothing new, brother. It's nothing
No,
new.
look at my.
Oh yeah, let me see this.
Oh my God, it looks just like this today. Looks just like the whole fucking.
The whole freaking daily.
Fractal, yeah.
My life like a movie.
Wait a second. Which one's the top? What time frame's the top today? And the bottom is what?
This is 1 minute today.
And what's the bottom?
And
the bottom is 1 month. It's 3 months.
So basically, the daily, the daily looks the same as the 3 months. Oh, exactly fucking right.
Flipped.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, no, it is flipped. It is. It looks like actually.
It's inverse. If you took it and
looks like
flipped it
no,
180
looks
degrees.
Like the previous run.
Yep.
Looks like the run before June. It's the run before June. Scoot that over.
The timeline.
It's the run. Yeah.
If anything, it would be the run before January, I think.
What's next then?
4470. They're trying to bring us down here on AMC.
Oh, look at this.
Yeah.
They're trying to bring GME under 205. Check it out. Huge red candle. They just brought GME in 1 minute from 207.50 to 204.77. They are fucking shorting the shit out of it with these 4.2 million shares.
Can you
They
imagine
saved them
all
for the last
selling at
minute.
45? Holy shit, makes so much sense, right?
Yeah, clearly.
Just watch the VI.
Yep, we all
after
decided to
close.
say fuck
Watch
it,
the
right?
VI after we
Yeah,
close.
shit.
Yeah, 44.70 on AMC. 205.25 on GameStop.
Come on, bitch. Somebody's daddling this out.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
There's another institution.
Is this a hedge candle, or is this going to turn red? Because this should be a big candle one way or another.
90,000 on the order book. It just went away. Oh, it came back. 10 shares, 20 shares, 90,000. 30 shares. Oh, it went away.
Your voice is mad.
Oh, dude, we just saw 7,777.
To be honest, I
Guys,
think they are.
this is going to be the next movement of AMC.
This is crazy. The order book is going crazy.
Yeah, they are overheating the algo right now.
Look at all those codes being sent.
Was it like this last week?
Nope.
Don't worry, they're all going to the dark pool.
I don't see any
Let me
signals.
show you guys this.
3 more minutes.
I'll stream the order book.
3 more minutes.
Edward.
This is so bullshit. It's actually insane.
Look at that. Right there.
Everything is going dark
Let's
pool.
fucking go. They're trying so hard. You know how much money this is costing them?
95, yeah.
This is costing them
Holy
hundreds of
shit.
millions of dollars. We are fucking winning. Buying and holding.
60 at
Buying more.
95K.
That's
60
what I'm
at
fucking
Yo, I'm
95K.
streaming right now, too. I'm telling you, man. This is a perfect falling wedge breakout in the daily.
Yeah, just watch the VI at the 1 tick mark after we close. Right now, it's like it's not even moving. It's completely still. But after we close,
100K, 100K.
Oh, yeah. It's going to be
Holy
150,
fuck.
200,000 candle right here.
10 at 100K
There you
on
go.
the ass.
It's just going to keep going.
20 at 100K on the ass.
God, that's costing them so
What
much
the
money.
fuck? 30.
That's fantastic.
What the fuck?
Fuck yeah.
And now it's gone and now it's reset at 20.
You guys need to realize that red candles don't mean bad things on AMC and GameStop all the time. They mean fucking good things. These is clear manipulation. Shorts in the open.
They have no shame.
Dude.
They got no choice. It's not that they got no shame. It's they got no fucking choice, man. They were never doing this shit out in the open like this, like as blatantly as they are now. They have no fucking choice. The CAT system, the phase 5 requirements for initial margin for per hedge fund, the $1 million and $1 trillion in requirements for minimum margins for all commercial banks in the United States. This shit is fucking killing them. That is why State Street Bank is merging with HSBC and these other fucking cats. That's why, because they can't fucking afford the margin requirements by themselves. They're fucking literally merging banks to make this shit work.
45, man. If we hit the 45, they would be fucking terrified.
That's another 20,000 calls in the money if they hit
God
45.
damn it. Fucking shit.
After fighting at this so hard is the
Last minute.
Yeah!
Because
Woo!
They have everything calculated, and if someone would like fall out of the calculation,
Dude, look at the volume kicking in. Look at the volume
It's okay.
already.
It's gonna be right here. We're gonna end the day right here. That's okay. That's okay. We're right under the 45. Running right
Dude,
above the
I've
12.
never seen the candle go like it's having a seizure. I've never seen it do that.
Absolutely.
There's wait till we close on June 2nd. I saw that bitch go $2 in a minute.
trust me, this isn't even humans. This is like completely automatic.
There you go. That's the end of the day. Oh, we got a few minutes left here. A few seconds left. Yeah, look at it hurt. Look at it hit 350,000. 350,000 volume. That's a massive 400,000 volume. Fuck yeah. Fuck you. Spend your fucking money. 44.26. $500,000 in volume. That's fucking nuts. Holy shit, it's still going. Fuck yeah. Shorts in the fucking open. How much fucking proof do you need?
Now watch, it's gonna pump after hours. Watch it pump after. Look at that.
See that candle?
Look at that.
750K volume. It's gonna hit $1 million.
What was the last candle?
The best comedy show in the world watching this stock.
What's the last candle
Y'all see
volume?
the first after hours candle for me? That's 13 volume.
700,000 last candle.
Fuck.
700K, baby.
Oh
That's
my
great.
god, dude.
That's
fucking
fucking
shit was
gorgeous.
that?
So that's where they put all the buys in at the last fucking right when it closes and it does fucking
But
nothing for
it
13
was
million volume.
perfect for them.
Look at that.
It was
Kiss my fucking
perfect.
ass.
Hold on, how do we go from
Yeah, Stacy, Tyrese, all you guys buying shares? Fuck yeah, buying calls? Do it. We're gonna fucking make so much money. Look at the desperation. Jesus Christ.
13 million. 13
That candle's
million
not
in the
just for me,
last
right? Yeah, it's there on the. Yeah, it's
No, it's not just you. Dude, that candle's... The candle's massive. Look at that.
Dude, it's
Look
still
at that.
going, but it's like.
They took out all these 10-cent price options from 44.60, everything until fucking 44.20.
It was 13 million volume in the last candle.
Hey guys, my shit's fucking still frozen.
No, there's no way that volume was that much. We gotta we gotta look into that volume.
No, it's the first second of after hours. It does that every day. There's usually a spike after hours, but not that
700K,
day.
yeah.
It was 13 million.
It's gotta be like an
last
ETF
I was
rebalancing.
I don't know. Last I looked, it was like we were in the 40 millions. I was like, wow, what a low volume.
Oh, I think you're
day,
looking
and
at the...
then all of a sudden
Holy
it's-
shit, yeah.
At the daily?
You're true.
Yeah, 63
You
No,
remember
no,
the day we were
64
supposed to
million.
move into
pull up
the
TXS
mid cap
and
thing,
at it.
and there was 16 million volume at the first minute of close.
Yeah, trading view is
Yeah, yeah, we
I
completely
wonder
fucked
if I got
up.
moved to some other
Guys,
shit.
nothing wrong here. Look at this. Nothing wrong here.
There's nothing wrong
Oh,
here.
of course.
Hey guys,
Look away.
before
Open your check case, Johnson.
before everyone starts leaving, now's the weekend. We've all had a good week. Make sure everyone rests and sleep, because like everyone does chart and everyone tries to find patterns within the chart, you need to have a sleep pattern.
Hey, not that long
Make
ago, we
sure
would have
everyone
killed
eat-
me. Alright?
This dude is like the most chill dude. Who are you?
all I'm
Is it
saying-
Zabi?
No, it's not.
No, it's Papa Goose.
Just jump $5.
70,000 buy, guys.
Fucking.
On Arca Exchange.
What
Who was that speaking earlier?
Make sure everyone has a good weekend and everyone eats well.
Yeah,
Everyone eats well.
Agreed.
Who are you? Who are you?
Okay,
I'm
dude.
Papa Goose.
Yo.
Who are you?
I'm Papa Goose.
You're Papa Goose. Okay, all right, good. I sent you a friend.
You
should do ASMR.
I feel like it's ASMR. Like
Look at, hey guys,
I'm
I'm looking at dark pool orders right
Get your
now.
boom mic.
Yo, I'm looking at dark pool orders right now of 20,000, 19,000. Massive on the bid, and on the ask, they're much, much smaller. I don't know if anybody's looking at my screen, but you can see clear what I think is called pinning. And they're trying to put up these orders to buy 24,000, 23.7, 23.6, all of these thousands of bids that they don't plan to reach. They're just using that to bring down the ask. I don't know if anybody of you guys are watching my screen on Discord, but I am sharing it.
Yeah.
And you can see that on Arca. Arca is dark pool.
Yeah.
Okay? NASDAQ is lit exchange. But they don't plan to fucking sell this shit. They will cancel these way before any of these execute. And if they do execute them, it's because they're trying to pull the fucking price down.
Yeah.
Who's saying, hey boss, dude, your mic is extremely loud. I would just be able to like turn you down.
Yeah, you're literally like eating your mic and then pooping it out and then putting it back in your mouth to talk.
Yeah, and then slobbering all over it too.
Yeah.
Trying to.
Kurt.
But to be honest,
what's up?
maybe they fucked themselves right now. Maybe they just over fucking shorted themselves.
What was
maybe
the day
they,
that we got moved into the mid cap ETF? It was like sometime in August. I think it was the last day of August. You can go back and you can see the same candle right at close. I think it was August 31st.
For AMC?
Yeah, I'm gonna look at it right now. I'll send a picture if I have to. Let me see.
How's my mic right now?
Yeah, August 31st.
Good, better.
All right, okay. What I was trying to say is make sure
August
everyone has a
31st
good
is
weekend.
17 million candle.
Make sure everyone
Okay.
sleeps.
Yes. Yeah, everyone eat, everyone sleep, go on a walk. If you have a dog, take him. Have a few drinks, relax. See everyone on Monday.
Don't drink.
I'm
Don't
gonna
drink.
be putting Edward's Polygon on the general chat, so if you guys want to like try to do something with it, you're more welcome to.
I also have this full day of what we were talking about, and if you weren't here earlier, we had a physics professor literally look at the vortex indicator, and she doesn't know anything about trading, and she was able to kind of not really come to a conclusion, but reinforce what we're looking at kind of makes sense.
And I don't even have a degree in
Can
any
you
of
post
that.
that on your YouTube?
Yeah.
Or are you just gonna leave it as a? Can you like clip that, or are you gonna leave it as just a stream?
I'm just gonna leave it as a stream because I think she was here like for an hour. It's very early on. It's right when Scott starts talking, and I'm talking about Edward popping in. Then you're in the right place.
You got like a time for that? Because I was in and out all day.
It was around like, for me, it would have been about
like 10 o'clock.
4 or 5 hours ago from
Eastern.
So we're in early May.
Like 11:45 Eastern.
Isn't she Scott's wife?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh,
it was
okay,
around
okay.
11:45 Eastern because I had just gotten home for lunch.
Yeah, that's right.
The whole day's a
All right,
blur.
thanks.
I don't even know when it was.
So guys, we're in early May in the last cycle, right?
I posted the link to the stream in DD and Theories, and I think I'm gonna end it soon. So
For sure, just to give you guys a final heads
I'm
up.
gonna make
I
some.
put
I'm gonna make some
Edward's
DD.
polygons
I'm gonna make
without
some
the
DD out
candles
of that
in
stream.
the general chat.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
We really need another
Yeah.
Citadel video. I'm telling you, Kurt. We need that motivation.
Is Edward
Oh.
still here?
Exchange
Yeah,
report,
yeah.
exchange
PNG
reported
file,
short
so you
interest
should
is
be
up
able to
almost 4%.
Manipulate it in Photoshop.
Which one is that, boss?
Ortex exchange reported
Like
short
Edward.
interest is almost up 4%. So that is all nothing but good stuff for us. And this is T+1, T+2 data, so it's from a day or two ago. The current short interest percentage of the free float is just under 19%, and the cost to borrow is averaging around 1.6, and the max is just over 3%. So not bad at all.
Shit, I bet you Tuesday will be over 20.
Hey, Edward.
Oh yeah, it's going to be a huge
it's a
increase
monster.
over Monday and Tuesday. We're going to
What's
see
up,
a huge
bro?
increase in the short interest numbers for
What was
sure.
it? What was the cost to borrow? You said the max.
Over 3%.
How much?
Over 3%. 3.
Yesterday there was like, I guess it might have been like just a few or like a glitch, but it was at 36% yesterday. The max.
Yeah, there was a max of
Depends on the
around
broker.
16, 17%
Yeah, it's
yesterday,
probably
things like that. Yeah, I'm looking at that right now.
Some brokers charge different amounts.
What if? Okay, never mind. Maybe I'm wrong. I don't know about
Edward,
it.
if you can send me some screenshots of your chart, and I'll produce some DD for you. Because you said you couldn't be asked, but what you said, especially a couple hours ago, that was spot on. I'm gonna make
What do you want me to send you?
Just send me like a screenshot of a couple of things, mainly like your chart, what you showed us, like the main key points.
Do you want me to show you on a daily or?
Yeah, if you can show me the daily and weekly and monthly.
Okay, who did I send it to? To boss?
Papa Goose. Papa Goose.
Papa Goose. Okay. Can you DM me in Discord? And remind
Yeah,
me?
sure. Let me
Dude,
find you on around here.
that fucking like color inverse graph image that of this chart looks fucking terrifying.
Bro, I think this is what's gonna happen right
Can you send it in the DD theory?
Yeah.
Bro, I think I'm correct. I think this is what's gonna happen.
See, this is just my chart, but we're still in a falling wedge that ends on Monday for me.
Guys, look at this. Look at this. I think this is what's going on. I think it's gonna be the constricted march to before the run. I think this is what's going on. You see how volume is picking up right here, and it's right here where the blue, the buying crosses over on the stochastic. This is what's going on.
Yes,
This is just gonna be much more constricted from here to here.
Yeah, didn't I say that yesterday? I think it's actually going to be more stretched out because see where it dips
Yeah,
under.
I'm
the
streaming too,
MACD
and
right there?
that's what I noticed with the MACD, like double tops.
Yeah, and the big part that we went under right there, like down in your SMI, Edward.
Yeah.
That whole section that we were down in there was just a tiny dip back in the other run. Yeah, make your window so it has both of them. So then go to where you see the 17 before March. Yeah, you're good right here. You look right here. See that dip where we went under?
This right here.
Yeah, just where we went under, the under part.
Oh, you're
Scoot
talking about
over.
you're talking about this place?
Oh, the
Or-
first under. That little tiny under right there is the big giant under in our current pattern. From there all the way back to there. Yep. That's the underside. That's why I feel like this thing is stretched out. Then we went up and over, and that's where you were just seeing it. You said this up and over part is the top of that middle hump in the first run.
I'm just wondering if this is the inversion.
The inversion
Hold on.
of it. Right, so go to March 20th.
What did I say? This is the inversion of that?
Yeah.
So this is going this way, and then right here, where is the top? This has to complete right here. This is
That's
the part
right.
that has to complete.
That's exactly what I'm saying. That's what
So
I'm trying to say.
it's gonna-
And
it's
being
gonna do like
stretched
a-
out like crazy.
No. So this was stretched out. This area right here, this is the stretched out version of it.
Yeah.
This, because it was stretched out, it's gonna be sped up.
Exactly.
Because it was
the
stretched.
opposite.
Because it was. So
Yes,
it's got to.
because the
So it
first
has
one.
to accelerate.
Yes.
Yep.
So it has to fit the pattern. That's what you're saying.
This.
They can't stretch it out for
Oh,
another.
I gotta show you this. I gotta show you this. Hold on. Look at this. And why I'm probably correct. What does this look like?
That's cool. Go ahead.
Wait, you move too
Hang on
fast.
one
Your
second.
screen.
Let me just mute this shit.
Is this better?
All right. Okay, let me look at it.
What does this look like?
What we're in right now. So we're gonna dip for a few days.
No. This is the sped up version of this, and this is the extended version of this. Now you have this sped up version here, which is the the stretched version of this, and you're gonna have this crap right here, which is gonna be the sped up version of this. So next, you're probably gonna see a Monday retraction back up here. It's gonna create a cup, and then it's gonna be like in this area right here, where before the squeeze.
We'll take all week to
That's
make
right.
the cup.
Max Payne was at $44.
I don't
Is it
know.
coincidence? Not at all.
I don't know.
I would say we are right now before the big run up. To be honest.
I think that's the rest of the handle of this cup, and it's got to take the rest of the week to.
Did it hit this?
Where you're at right now is like the first segment of the.
What was the low
previous.
today? Do you guys know what the low was today?
44 something. 44.20. 26. Oh, it should say it right. Just float your mouse on it. It says it right up there.
44.20.
Float your mouse on today's candle.
44.20.
46. Oh yes, 44.20. You got it. Yep.
Yeah.
Where's Astro at?
Nobody knows really.
He's getting laid, man. He's doing his thing.
Man.
Everybody deserves a day off.
He's not worrying.
No, I know. I think you guys have it figured out. I think what we're doing is we use the historical data to understand the actual what they're doing. Now we need to apply the historical data, what we learned to from the 15th forward, because that's what's going to help us.
You know, Edward, you could just tell it to do a horizontal line. You don't have to draw them all freehand.
Yeah, but I don't want to on the whole chart. I don't want the whole thing to go through.
Oh, I see. Yes, good point.
Can anybody explain those orders that I just posted in D&D that I screen captured from 4 o'clock?
Talking about the time and sales with 16 million.
Yeah, but and then they 13 million.
13 million, yeah, my bad.
13 million, and then a bunch of other buys for 13 million, but it doesn't show on my volume at all.
See, are you on Thinkorswim?
Yeah, I'm on Thinkorswim.
See, it shows the volume shows the volume shows for me, but I didn't have my time and sales up at the time, so. But you were literally watching a ladder attack in real time. Well, you can see those large. Look at all those block sales of 100,000 shares, and then you see that big buy come in. I feel like that's when they put all the retail orders in, and they've already somehow they just make it where it doesn't impact the price. I don't know how they do it, but they do.
Delayed order processing is what I've heard. So they took the orders that were made during the day and then they put them into.
If you're on
yes,
Thinkorswim, go back to August or August 31st, and you'll see the exact same red candle. But that day we got moved into an ETF. So,
is there any correlation to like maybe they're trying not to get over a certain percentage in the dark pool? Like maybe they're trying, so they make it lit in the very last minute, and everybody goes, "Oh, it's just a glitch."
There's another buy for 219,000 shares at 415.
See, I'm not seeing that.
Why is this like the perfect center point?
Diamond Hand Yams, thank you again for your support, brother. And yeah, it's me from Reddit.
What's up?
Thanks a lot for your support out there. There's so many shows. It really means a lot to me. Thank you, brother.
Donate to me. I want AMC and GME shares.
I'll be honest, I've never seen a pencil for that thing.
Hey, boss, you're not muted on our channel when you're talking. I don't know if that's intentional.
Nah.
My apologies.
I was just No,
You're fine. You're fine. I just want. I didn't know. I didn't know if you
I
wanted.
forgot. Yeah, I
just make
forgot.
sure
There's
that-
so much going on here. I got 2 streams going and shit. My bad.
No,
I'm
you're
not.
good,
I'm not
bro.
offended. I didn't want you to slip something that you didn't want to.
Exactly.
Huh? Oh, yeah, it was, I didn't find it. Michael found it last night. He said it was in the Bosch area, but I'm pretty certain it was probably near
Hot
where,
mic, guy.
the other
Hot mic,
laptop had
hot
gotten
mic,
hit
hot
too.
mic, bruh.
Talking about Michael, whoever you are.
Yeah.
I wish you all a great weekend, guys.
Yeah, you too.
See you Monday. Bye bye.
Yeah.
Sorry about that, guy.
I'll be back. I'll be back later. I gotta go help Noah with something.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna head out too. Fucking what a day of full of fuckery, like always.
Yep.
Oh,
Damn, Champion Chad. Thank you so much, brother. That was so kind of you. Please, I appreciate your support and your donations. You don't have to donate. I will give 25% of all donations to charity. This month it's going to benefit United States Veterans, nonprofit organization by Gary Sinise. I'll post receipts at the end of the month. Thank you guys. I love you, Chad, Champion. Thanks again for your support,
Honestly,
everybody.
with the whole crypto
Whether
stuff,
you
I feel
donated or
like they
not,
use
we appreciate you.
something like back
Ape
then.
Nation,
I
you're the
think they
best.
probably bought
And I
more
can't wait to
securities
chill and
of
smoke and
AMC
party with all you
shorting.
guys
I
and
don't
girls.
know.
Why
It
not?
doesn't
Let's
make
do it.
nothing makes sense. Like look at VIX. This entire day of VIX is freaking bullish.
Yeah, I tried to buy this morning. Wouldn't let me.
Is there a way you can compare that chart to AMC?
Uh,
Top and bottom to each other?
Nothing. Yeah, I can, but it doesn't look anything like at all.
Hey, you know
Previous
what's
day,
crazy
it did.
too? You know it's crazy that the SPY broke the 50-day moving average.
Yep. Sure did.
So it's gonna move to the 100-day. What's the 100-day? Does someone have it up right now?
I don't know. That was the first time I did that since January 18, I think it was.
Yeah, it's been quite some
I mean,
time.
not
It seems
January,
like.
July 18. My bad.
Oh, we broke it July? Oh yeah, it was briefly, but yeah.
Yes, and we did a brief one. Back.
Like for the downside?
Yeah, the SPY it bounced through the 50 and then came right back out bullish.
Well, I'll have
like
a drink with you all, that's for sure.
And it did
I'll have
that.
a beer and a whiskey
It doesn't seem like
and a
it's
couple more.
bit
So let's get it on.
right now though. That's what I'm trying to get at. It doesn't seem like I could be wrong though. You know what I mean?
No,
And
but
I know
this
what you mean.
feels
It's like I don't want the
more
MOASS to happen either. I'm like, I'll wait. I don't give a
than
fuck.
the other
Every
ones just
every
felt
week
like a
is
little
just
bit of
another
bullshit
opportunity to put
and then
more
it
money and
bounced.
make more money in the end.
But this has more
God.
days. This is
The
longer
VIX.
days of red than.
Yeah.
They're progressively longer though. Like the first one was like 3 days. Took 3 days to get down there. This one took 4 days, and now we've like been on like almost 2 weeks of downward trend to get here.
Yeah.
The VIX is literally almost the opposite of AMC today.
Yeah,
But-
there you go. See, that's what I was talking about a few hours ago when I was saying that and that's when I was saying I wonder if the vortex indicator reflected the same thing, where they kind of
The
mirrored
opposite.
each
Look at
other.
this. Look, it's the opposite.
And that's why I always said too. It always seems like they use whatever's convenient for them as an excuse to drive the price down.
Yep. They
Hey,
can
so
use whatever they
basically,
oh
if you
look,
want to,
look, the SPY's doing bad. Let's just follow the SPY today. Oh look, the VIX is doing bad. Let's follow the VIX today. And then they just, that's what it always seems like.
Hey
Oh,
Edward,
no,
you
it's
can
doing
trade. You
bad,
can
but
kind of
they're all
also use the VIX as a sort of.
Oh
I guess
wow,
you could say a
Kirsten,
North
thank you
Star in a
as
way,
well.
and
I
and use
appreciate all you
that to
guys.
kind of pinpoint which way
Thanks so much.
AMC is
The
going to
love
go.
has
If
been
the
real.
VIX is doing shitty, chances are AMC is probably going to have.
All
an
you guys, you too,
uptrend.
John, Glizzy, all my mods,
See, the problem
Oliver,
with AMC
Mac,
is that in this- it's in
Nancy,
this
Pam,
shitty-ass
all you guys,
listing.
Eric, Jesus, like much love, Angel, Amy.
We talk about
Thank you
the
guys
volume
and girls.
discrepancies on different
Test,
platforms.
William,
I'm seeing
Absence,
on Questrade. I've got the
Anomaly.
first
You guys
minute
have been
of after hours showing
incredible,
13 million is
incredible.
the
We're
volume.
gonna try to give you
On
more
Webull, it's
details
showing
and
like a
more
couple
good
100,000.
information. Now remember, it's
Anybody
not
have
financial
insight on
advice.
that?
We're just doing our best on
Fidelity
technical
has
analysis
13
and due
million
diligence
shares.
all around.
We saw it in 2 places.
This is so bullshit, dude. Look at this. IWM and AMC.
Look, and the volume's up to 68 million now. See, when I looked, I was like, oh, we're only going to do about 40 million today, and then next thing I know, at the very end, I look over and I was like, what's our volume? What? 60 65, or it was like, how the fuck did that happen?
Yeah, and the
Then I
thing
go
is
look.
too that
I
the
can.
thing
I
is
see
too
the
that
candle. 13,441,
yeah,
469. Is that what
I've got
everybody's seeing?
I've got 13,228,116, and it's lay, or is that a and then of course it didn't move at all, so it looks like the volume should be lined up with that big sell at the last candle of proper trading hours.
Well, ain't that a joke? We close on 4/4/20.
Hey, could you, Ed? You were doing the graphs, and I noticed that you were comparing today's price action, or I guess our last 3 months price action, to prior to the June run up, and you're saying that we're at the top 3 candles that happened back in
I'll show you.
February. Yeah, would you be able to go back to it again?
We look exactly like we do on the daily. Hold on, wait a minute.
But what I saw you pull up is you pulled up right before the June run up, and it went to, we had a major spike on February 22nd, and then we had 3 tops.
February 27th?
22nd. Go back to February 22nd.
Looks like the SPY lost 1%,
And so we
down
had
from
those
445
3 giant
to
green
440.
candle run-ups right after the major, right after the run-up in February.
Wait,
Looks like the QQQ lost 1.28%.
Yeah, so hold on. So
Let's see, Invesco.
Go to February 24th, 21.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we had that run up.
GME was almost flat at 0.91% at the end of the day. Not bad. Because it costs the hedgies a lot of fucking money.
Mm-hmm.
And then another run up on March 15th.
Right.
AMC ended up the day down 4%. However, we did notice that short interest is up 4%, and that's information from 2 days ago because T+2 settlement.
$38 to the 52.
No.
So you guys will see that the T+2 settlement that we see on Ortex data is from a couple days ago. So it's not information that just came out. All this Ortex data is fantastic. It's only 85% of the reported data, but it's better than nothing as well. We use the information that we've got, right? And you can see that the price for AMC is still up almost 24% for the month. So don't freak out about it. It's not the end of the year. It's not the end of the day, and it's not even close to the end of the year. We got a long time here still before 2022. And I don't think we're going to last that long. We'd be surprised if we last into October before fucking a crazy short squeeze. But yeah, it's up 3.82% on reported interest, all right? That's pretty hot. That means that's from price action from 2 days ago when we were shorted also and brought the price down. And so Monday, you're going to see that number is even higher, another 4% increase, and probably the same thing on Tuesday because of all the shorts that were taken out today. So it's not bad. It's not a bad thing. They returned some shares. There was less shares on loan because they took them out. They took out more shares to short down the price. So no worries. They all got to be bought back at one point or another.
Right. No, I got that. But what I'm saying is, wouldn't the points still, no matter what, you would have certain points that have the same percentage of retracements? I get that the time is either stretched or compressed, but what I'm saying is,
what do you mean
this
retracement?
pattern. So, like, let's say you have like a green candle that you're plotting. You're talking about these 3 candles, right? We were talking about the 9th, the 15th, somewhere in February. And
I think if you're disappointed over the week, you know, I understand, but you got to remember not to get your hopes up. Just because we're primed to break out doesn't mean we're going to break out yesterday, today, or tomorrow. These guys have so many manipulation tactics, but nothing's permanent. They can't hold everything back. They can just push it back a little bit further. So set and forget your position for now. I mean, I don't know what, unless you're trading options, that's exactly what you should be doing. You know, I don't know what your choice is, but you can do whatever you want with your investments. The best for me is buy and hold, and I buy the dips continuously. I buy and trade options. I love calls, and so to each his own. You know, if you don't feel like dealing with the charts, don't. Set your alarms. Don't just set it and forget it. That's to each his own. You know, I personally prefer to do my due diligence. I like to buy and sell calls. I like to make money in the stock market every single day. Sometimes I lose money, and that's okay. Because at the end of the day, these things are still up for the month, for the 6 months, and for the year, and they're going to continue to go up, in my opinion. You know, nothing's a sure thing. Nothing's a sure thing. You know, they could all lose. They could both go bankrupt tomorrow. That's just the way the world works. So don't invest any money you don't have, and don't invest any money you're not willing to completely lose. Plain and simple. But yeah, don't let it stress you out. If it's stressful, put it down. Set those alerts. Get away from it, you know, and come back and pop in on the videos if you want to find out some new information. That's about it. But look, GameStop's up 26% for the month. AMC's up 25% for the month. We're doing great. We're on a wonderful upwards momentum. The new CAT system and the margin requirements have highly injured these fucking guys. They're desperately going overseas to try to short us through ETFs, and that's fine because all those fucking shorts in the ETFs need to be bought back as well. So much love, Ape Nation. Peace and wealth. Let's see if we got any more good info in the Discord going on right now.
I'm watching. Yeah.
Yeah. We're all watching you, yo.
Here, look at this. I mirrored and rotated this the January. Look at this. Tell me that does not look similar.
I get it, Kirsten. My wife just wants to get the kids school, so get the kids from school. So it gets in the way sometimes. So just listen. You don't have to watch.
So I see that if you invert it and you turn it around, that they do match, and there is a lot going on where they're just flipping the cycles over and over again. But I'm also having another theory. If these guys are deaccelerating the squeeze and they're just trying to push it out more and more, what if they're condensing our last 3 months of activity to because our last 3 months of activity also similarly look like January 27th to March 15th.
Hold on, let me.
That's the period we're in right now. I really think that's the period we're in.
So that would say that for the next month or so that we would be in a downtrend.
I think it's the other way around. I think we're on an uptrend.
It's inverted.
We're on an uptrend. I don't think it's flipped upside down. I just think it's flipped sideways. Now flip, I think, take what you got there, and you should flip it upside down. Yeah, like that.
No, it's the other way. Whoops.
Oh, that makes more sense.
No, I'm trying to get. Hold on. What?
That's right. That's the way you had it.
Yeah, leave it. Put it up there, and we'll try. You know, it's all TA. Nothing's wrong. Let's check it out.
Yeah, right here. Yep.
I see that. Put
There's
that
our
up. Put that up.
down.
Can you put that up to cover the ones that are over there? Trying to put it in its place.
This is difficult.
Oh, I know.
But you can see like this is.
So you're saying that the two,
Hold on.
those the two massive green candles on the very right match up with what day is that? August 24th.
It's just this thing is like an extension.
It's trying to
like,
snap. Yeah, it's like it's going onwards. It's a continually repeating pattern because these are futures contracts, and they have to be rolled either every 3 months or twice a year. Some of them settle every 3 months, and some of them twice a year in March and in September.
Okay, so hear me out here, Edward. Could you go? I'm not trying to like downgrade this or anything. You pointed something out to me, and I was like, wait a minute, that looks awfully
so
simple.
remember when I said that this is the constrict. This is they're trying to stretch what this was constricted in. So like this area is well, no, this is the stretched version of the short term, and this is the going to be the constricted of this area right here. So watch, hold on, let me plot this. Let me see how accurate this is going to look like.
Jake, we're still working on it. I believe it looks a lot like the run up to January, and there are various theories. So we're working on it as we speak. You guys are watching live technical analysis, due diligence by some beautiful minds here, and I'm just kind of trying to follow along because they're so damn good. I can't do this. I gotta watch.
Yeah. So that picture that you have right there, Edward. That. Let's see.
Hold on.
Let me change to mine as well.
Some people feel we're on the March 20th, March 24th date. So just a little shout out.
So what I'm seeing is that on March, I keep having to go back to look at the dates. So on February 24th, matches are 8/24th, and our run up back in January, matches our run up in June. Now, if they're trying to slow down the squeeze, then what better way to do it than to take the same pattern and take our 3-month pattern and turn it into a 6-month? So if they're just delaying this and they're getting all of these orders to match up, run up to 52, they're going to have a major drop, and then it's going to have a steady climb down for the next for a little while longer. If you look back to March 18th all the way down to March 24th, it looks like that's where we're kind of starting to go.
Does anybody know how to like? I remember I used to be able to like distort this.
Resize maybe?
No. Resize doesn't do anything.
Hmm.
Damn, I remember I used to be able like to drag this and it would like distort it, like it would.
What if you select it? If you can select it with anything and then create, like, if not create a layer, but at least grab the corners, hold shift or something. I don't know if it has a selection tool.
Select on the top left over there, and then just select it.
Top
and
left?
then you're just the square.
and then just constrict that.
There we go.
Nah, guys, don't worry about the price. That's what I feel. I don't care if the price 50, 45,
Guys,
44,
watch
34.
this.
Doesn't mean shit.
Watch this.
Check this out. Look what we got going on here. Fucking wrinkle brain.
It won't let me move it.
It's trying to snap, yeah.
Those look spot on.
I want to like zoom out and see how this is gonna look.
I just see it as simple as this. I get paid once a month, and then I pay myself bonuses every week just because I want to spend more money on this bitch. But even if I didn't, I'd be taking a little portion of my paycheck out every single week to try to buy in as much as I could. At least that's my...
I think it's gonna be heavily constricted.
Look at that.
Watch this.
Look at that. Yeah, because the time frames are getting shorter and shorter. I could see that because I definitely think we're going to move into the next $58 channel easily.
We're gonna see a gap up here.
See these wicks and after hours?
Yeah.
Checking them out right now, yeah.
If we see this movement right here, hold on, let me zoom in a little bit. If we see a movement like this, this is replicating the inverse of January.
That's exactly what I'm thinking. That's exactly what I'm expecting. I don't know if it's the inverse. When you say inverse, you mean flipped upside down or flipped?
Mirrored and flipped.
Mirrored and flipped, like the way you have it right now?
Yeah. So
yeah, that's I'm in
an
agreement
inverse
with that
image.
because of the 6-month rollovers.
So this right here, this area, is the same thing that's happened here. Well, I'll show you this.
Yeah, run it, brother.
I think the discrepancy between Webull and Fidelity, huge volume numbers, might link to FTD numbers.
This is the same thing. You can actually see that it's the same thing.
Can you go back? Can you put that picture back on by chance?
We are in the midst of the greatest shit show on earth.
Look at this. It's literally the same thing. I need to stretch it.
I'm gonna go to sleep now, guys. Everyone take care. Yeah, make sure everyone sleeps and drinks and eats and refreshes themselves for next week. Everyone have a good weekend.
I'm way
Thank
too
you,
hard.
brother.
on